Hi guys and girls, welcome to the S-Way. Summer is all about color and shine, and today in this video I'm going to create a pink glowy glamorous look which is highly inspired by Sonam Kapoor's makeup from Veere Di Wedding. Yes, that pink glowy look on her face. Also, I'm gonna style the look with pastel colored outfits which is just perfect for summer fashion. Let's get started. I'm going to do the base of my makeup with Patanjali aloe vera gel. For my foundation, I'm going to apply Maybelline Fit Me foundation and I'm going to use a brush to apply the foundation all over my face. Once my foundation is done, I'm going to set my makeup with Maybelline's Face Duo Compact Face Powder, which has one lighter shade and a darker shade, and I'm going to mix both of it up to set my makeup. Once my makeup is set, I will go ahead with contouring my face using the darker shade from the Maybelline Face Duo Compact Powder Palette. First, I will start with my nose and then I will move ahead to the outline of my face, and yes, I will just go ahead and define whole of my features on the face. Moving ahead to my eyebrows, I will define my eyebrows with a brown shade from a neutral eyeshadow shade palette. Now I will go ahead with my Glam 21 eyeshadow palette to create a very shiny pinky glowy look on my eyes, and for that I'll be using 3 to 4 shades of pink. I will start with a darker shade of pink in the crease of my eye and start developing the color there. Once it's done, I will move ahead to a lighter shade of pink. Once the crease area is done, I will move ahead with a lighter pinky shade on the eyelid and then with a further lighter shade which is also very glowy on the inner eye corner. And yes, I will be repeating the same eye colors on the lower eyeline. Once I'm done with my eyeshadow, I'll go ahead with my eyeliner. I'm using Lakme Absolute Shine.
Very well, Sampriti. We all can see how beautifully you are drawing the eyeliner. Ha ha ha.
I'm really very sorry guys, I did not realize I was out of the frame. Well, I was trying to draw a cat's eye, look which is thicker in the outer corner and thinner inwards. Now I'll go ahead with my mascara, and the one I'm using is by Maybelline. It is Maybelline's Less Sensational, and I'm gonna apply it on both my upper and lower eyelashes. Now I'll be applying Revolution Pro highlighter on the eye bones of my eyes. To put some color on my cheeks, I'll be using Blue Heavens blush. This is a very fine pinky shade. I love it, and yes, I'm gonna apply this on my cheeks. Once I'm done with my blush, I'm going ahead with my Revolution Pro highlighter. This highlighter is my favorite. It just glams up my face. So I will move ahead and start applying it on the nose bone and then a little bit on the cheekbones and on my forehead and chin so that the whole of my face starts glowing. For my lips, I'm going to use 2 lip colors from Color Bar. One is a pink color and the other is a liquid matte lipstick again from Color Bar, and I'm gonna mix both of it up for my lip shade. I'm using NYX makeup setting spray to set all my makeup, and then I'll be using a sponge so that my makeup stays locked in position. For my hairstyle, I'm just simply securing all of my hair with a braid and making a bun in the back. For my outfit, I have selected all the pastel shades I could get. The top is from H&M. I love this peach pinky colored top. I think it looks really good on me. I love it. And yeah, for my pants, I have bought this one from a flea market in Chennai. This is a cotton pant with beautiful floral print on it, which looks so summery and it's so comfortable. I cannot even explain you. I mean, it's very comfortable. It's soft and I love it. I love how both the top and the pant has come all together to make such a beautiful, style statement. I really hope you love the look I created and you will create one for yourself this summer. I really hope so. And yeah, if you enjoyed watching this video, then give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it. And this is somebody signing off. I will see you soon in my next video. And girls, don't forget to keep it stylish. Bye bye.